Welcome back, YouTube lovers. Thank you so much for tuning in to Shayla's Journey to Success. I know it's been a week off and I am back with a banger. So let's get started. So as you see, I'm grabbing my waist trainer to keep these abs in check. This is going to be nothing but a burner for the abs. So I challenge you in this 5-minute plank challenge to join me. So if you have a waist trainer, definitely throw it on and make sure you grab a towel because it's going to be a sweaty one. Have your water close by. Thank you so much again for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you like what you see thus far and what's to come. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get started on some stretches. Let's warm up that body and get those joints loosened up. You do not have to do identical stretches as me. I just kind of go with the flow, but whatever you do, please be certain to stretch, 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 stretch. Get that body woke up and warmed up because this is about to be killer. And I continue to say this because I'm giving you a heads up in advance. I'm so happy you are here taking on this challenge with me. If this is your first time tuning in to Shayla's Journey to Success, welcome to Team Success. And for my loyal team members, welcome back. I thank you so much again for all your support and bearing with me as I took that week off. How has your journey been and how are you all doing? Comment below, fill me in. Let me know if there's anything that's been working for you, anything that you're needing right now. I love to make routines that is complementary to you all and individualized for each of you. So holler at your girl, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are after you finish this routine because I promise you, you will need a break. So comment after you take some time to hydrate and recoup, and let's get it. So I'm going to walk my arms up and we're just going to jog it out like I like to do and run in a circle as you know. Join me, loosen up those joints. Let's get to it. So this time I'm going to do a little different. It's definitely going to be a challenge. Across the screen, you will see the exercises that we will be doing for the plank challenge for the ab routine. So we're going to begin getting low and we're going to stay there because, again, it is a plank challenge. So I'm setting my timer for 5 minutes and let's hammer it out. We're just going to start with steps and then we're going to go to side steps. Just continue to follow along. I honestly wing it sometimes, so I'm going to do 10 counts, maybe a little bit less or a little bit more, but everyone should do 10 counts and then we'll decrease it to 8 counts to end towards the end of the routine. If you are brand new to doing planks, I definitely suggest go ahead and stay on your elbows besides doing the up and down planks. Whenever I do rest, I will be either in the up position or I will be on the elbows. So if you need to, continue to stay on the elbows and take your time. Do not hesitate to take a break if you need to. It is perfectly fine. This is a challenge. It's not made to be easy. Trust me. You'll see me huffing and puffing myself, and I wanted to give myself a challenge as well as you. So I really hope you can enjoy this routine. Don't overthink it too much. Keep up if you can, slow down if you need to, press pause if necessary, and hydrate and take a break. And I wish you the best of luck. Have fun. Don't stress. It's going to be here for you to practice. Have fun. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And get yourself some abs. It's about to be holiday season, so let's get ourselves right before it gets real. I want you all to focus on keeping your shoulders and your back and bottom straight and even. You will notice that my bottom tends to kind of poke up a little bit higher just because I have lower back pain. I try to be gentle on my lower back, and I want you to do the same thing. But do as you can and try to nail and ace that plank when you are up and when you are low. You got this. Keep pushing and keep doing your best. Give it your all. Take a break if necessary, but you got this. We're nearly done. Oh, child, we made it. Oh my gosh, we made it. Grab your water, grab your towel, pass out on the floor because I'm about to. Whatever you need to do, just know you have made it to the end. I don't care how many times you stopped. I don't care how many times you had to take a break and pause this video. You made it. Challenge completed. Woo woo. Keep it up, please. Take a break. Please hydrate and don't forget to post stretch. I am absolutely proud of you guys. Now check out them abs and keep on practicing. You're going to get them gains. Again, I'm absolutely proud of you all, and I hope you really enjoyed this challenge and that you succeeded with me. Until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below your thoughts. I'll see you next time. Bye.